If you're someone who's interested in sports, then you need this word. Because Master Azerbaijani word of the day has idman. Idman. Idman is sport, exercise, or athletics. All right? Now, to play sports, to do exercise, sports or athletics practice are some of the phrases we're going to use. But let's see, what do they mean in Azerbaijani? İdman ile məşğul olmaq. Məşğul olmaq, to do something as a hobby or as a professionally. And now, ile is with, technically. So, məşğul olmaq, if you want to go deep dive, to keep yourself busy, basically. That's what literal translation means. To keep yourself busy with, ile, that's where it comes into play. With sports. İdman etmek, simply to do exercise. İdman məşqi. Məşq is practice. The practice of sports, idman məşqi. Now, time for sentences. Səhərlər idman etmək istəyirəm. Nə deyirsən? Let's see. I want to do exercise or to exercise in the mornings. What do you say? Səhərlər in the mornings? Remember, plurallər? Now, idman etmək istəyirəm. I want to do exercise or I want to exercise. Same. Nə deyirsən? What do you say? Let's use another sentence. İdmanla məşğul olmaq uşaqlar üçün çox faydalıdır. It's good for everyone, but our focus here is children. Doing or going for sports is very beneficial for children. İdmanla məşğul olmaq. Remember I told you, məşğul olmaq, to be busy, to keep yourself busy, basically. That's a literal translation. But the actual meaning, doing it, going for it. İdmanla, with sports, remember, ile, that's the suffix form of ile. Now, uşaqlar üçün, for children. Uşaq, child, uşaqlar, children. Uşaqlar üçün, for children. Çox faydalıdır. Çox is very. Fayda, benefit, faydalı, beneficial. Faydalıdır is beneficial, right? That was today's word, idman, where we explored using it in some phrases and sentences that were in Azerbaijani. But fret not, I have something else for you. Does walking from the fridge to the couch count as idman? For some it does. I know a couple of people. Now, make sure to come back tomorrow for a new word. We're going to be talking about all the things healthy this week. But I have masterozerjourney.com that I think if you check out, read some blogs, you will find it valuable.